What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So today we have "What Love Gotta Do with It" and something like that by Kygo. So we have the capo on the fourth fret for this song, and we have just have a look at the structure. We got the intro, then we have the verse, then we have the pre-chorus. After that, we have a chorus. Then we have another verse, another pre-chorus, another chorus. Then after that, we have a little breakdown type. Then we have a bridge, and then we have chorus, which is a chorus. After the chorus, there's obviously one drop. Remember that Kygo song, so has to be a drop. So after the chorus, we obviously have a drop, and this last chorus and the drop is a lot different, and its key actually changes a bit. From a G, it goes to a A. So it's a different over here. Just gonna break down everything for you guys. So let's get started. Make sure to put the capo on the fourth fret. Have a look at the chord shift. First chord is a E minor, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0. But I like to play just the second fret on the on the A string. Then you have a C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. D major, mute 0 2 3 2. Then you have a G 3 2 0 0 3 3 3. You can even play 3 2 0 0 0 3. It's the same thing. I agree I'm going a bit fast because Friday a lot of lessons to cover today, so have to be fast. Then we have A, which is mute 0 2 2 2 0. E 0 2 2 1 0 0. Here another F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. Now pause the video, have a look at the chord shape, see what like how you just gonna place your fingers, which will be easy for you to play the chords, and that's it. So let's move on to the first part of the song, which will be the intro, and we just have two chords for this part. We just have the E minor. I like to call this the E minor 7. Obviously the name is E minor 7, but if you play E minor, that's the same case. So E minor 7, then a D. Wait for one bar and strum. So we got 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That's it. And after that, you're just gonna move on to the verse. For the verse, now just here, listen what I'm telling you. Verse 1, the verse 2, the pre-chorus 1, the pre-chorus 2, and the chorus 1 and the chorus 2 is exactly same. So don't need to worry about that. So both are same, but when you come to the next chorus, it's a complete different thing. So see what I'm doing for the verse part 1, or verse 1, which is equal to verse 2. So we just have again two chords used, which is a E minor 7, then a D major. And repeat that one more time. So we got E minor 7, then D major. So let's play 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. You move on to the pre-chorus, and again over here we just have two chords. So it will be a C and a D. And we are repeating this twice. So we got, this is for the pre-chorus 1, pre-chorus 2. Last time. And then you move on to the chorus slash drop. So chorus and the drop is exactly same. When you just go to the drop, try strum a bit louder. Now the strumming over here, which I'm showing you, is very much important because that goes for the next chorus as well. So have a look at the strumming. So I'm actually going down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Now I try to break the string pattern. We have down, down, up, down, down. So you got down, down, up, down, down, down. When you see the first chord, you're just gonna put the down, down, and when you see the next chord, which is on the second place, it will be a up, down, and same goes on. So on the third one, we will have down, down. So on the odds, we have the down, down, and on the evens, we have the up, down, down. So the chord progression of the chorus and the drop will be a G, D, a C, D. So we got down, down on the G, then on D, up, down, then on the C, down, down, up, down, down. So let's play that, and it goes same for the chorus, for the drop. Sorry, 1 2 3 C. That's it. And you move on to the drop, exactly same. Then we have the next verse. I told you now all are same. Verse same, pre-chorus same, chorus same, and the next drop is same. But after that we have a little breakdown type we have, because we are just now shifting to the different keys. So over here the chord progression changes. It actually for the breakdown some type of music actually goes. There is no one singing over here. We have a A, then an E, then a D, then a E. Again we have a A, then a E. Then instead of playing a D E, we're just gonna play the D and let that end on that E. So we have D, and don't shift to E. So we got A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 3, 4. Then you go to E, and I don't need to go. Just play the D and don't need to go to the E. Rest there. Now after this we have the bridge, and for the bridge we got another new chord progression, which is on the key of G with the capo on the 4th fret, but it's actually key of B. So it's a G major, then an A, then a G. So it's a bit like it changes a bit. The key is actually a bit different now. It's not in the key of B. I told you wrong right now. It's not in the key of B. It changes. So we got a G, then you have an A. Once more, then you have G, then an A, then an F, then a G, then an E minor 7, then back to A. And you do one down in each chord and see how it sounds. 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's it. That's it. And now we have the chorus and the drop. Now for this part, just have a look at the chord progression. It's an A, then an E, then a D, then an E, which is a lot like the breakdown. So we got A, E, D, E, and this last chorus is a big. So the chorus third chorus, chorus 3. So it's in a different key. So now the string pattern will be same. It will be a down, down on the A major, and on the E right now we have a up, up, down, up, down. So we were over here, we go to over here, and then we were D, we go to a E like that. So we got down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. That's it for this lesson. I have covered a lot of songs today, so kind of be fast, but I don't think you missed something, because there was nothing much to learn over here. So that's it for this lesson. Make sure to subscribe. I'm in a lot of hurry, so you can understand me. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. 2,000 subscribers have to reach in this month. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.